You may be wondering, what is this robot on my screen? Well, this is the AppBot, and I'm about to try my best to show you what this AppBot is. I hope you will come on this journey with me of constructing this AppBot, because I promise you, it'll be worth it. But first, let me give you some context. So, my great uncle and my granddad have a startup called Morningbird Space, and I was blessed enough to be able to try out this AppBot. Shout out to Morningbird Space, more on them later. They sent this AppBot out to me, and as you can see, I got my packages within a few days after they shipped it out to me. But before we delve into this, I want to show you how you can get one of your own AppBots and what the AppBot really is.
Yeah, boy.
So, I got my scissors, and I'm just going to take the box. Let's open it up. Okay. So, wow. So, it seems that we got some cables right here. Some LE glue cables. LE glue surprisingly makes a lot of electronics. I didn't even know that. I thought they just made a printing or filament for printers. And next we have more cables. Okay, and we have this deco little drill bit or drill right here. And more packages. This is a toolkit by the looks of it. Let me take it off and let's see. Let's take it off. It is a toolkit. Okay, cool. That's good. So I'll just put that off to the side. Oh, we got some motors in here, which is great. What we need for the robot to move. Alright, we got another toolkit. I wonder if there's anything different inside it this time. Nope, nothing different. Same thing, which is good. Doesn't hurt to have a spare, you know. Okay. We got a lot of little screws here. A little screw box. Okay. Alright, we got some connector bits right here. What are these now? Alright, we got some more things. I assume that we need to solder onto the board. And here's another motor. Alright, that's the first box. And next we have our second package. Okay, here is a board right here. If you guys can see that with the glare from my mic. I have no clue what this is. Carbon film resistor kit. Alright, and we have another board from Ellie Glue, or Ellie Goo, however you pronounce it. Right there. So here is a replacement battery pack, right there. Right here's some more wires. And here's giant screws. Jeez. It's like the screws that you put in your wall. Alright, that's the second package down. And two more to go. Alright, and here is our third package. Oh, it's a soldering kit. A soldering kit. When I say soldering. Yeah, here's what we need to solder the wires together to the board. That's good. And finally, this is our last package. And here are some LEDs for our robot. Like if we want to make the eyes light up or something, that's what we need. And I don't know what that is. I think there's a board in there. Yeah, there is. Oh my gosh, that's small. Look at that. It's so tiny. It's like the size of my thumb. Yeah. So I don't know what this is, but I will read out the user guide. Oh, it's a Bluetooth module. That's what this is. It is a Bluetooth module, so you can connect it to our phone. That is freaking awesome. And I'll keep that user guide somewhere close so I don't lose it. And finally, here's our last part. Oh, magnets. Nice. Our magnets. I don't know if they're going to be used for yet. There's a AppBot manual. There's like a whole bunch of different sizes in here. So I'm going to start off by saying that this is my first time ever building something like this. And believe it or not, it was actually not that difficult for me. This gives the right amount of challenge for a newbie like me. And yes, I may be familiar with all the parts from like past experiences, but I am nowhere near the level I need to be making this consistently. And yeah, this is good for STEM. Very good. And overall, this was very stimulating. Definitely good for children and adults alike. I really enjoyed it, actually. The only issue I had, though, was with the elbows. The elbow joints, the elbow motors, whatever you want to call it. Because there's like a misdimensioning with that forearm piece. But besides that, everything else turned out good. So yeah. I think that is going to wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell anytime you want to be notified of when I post. And don't worry, I will show you a short of the robot moving around when I have the time, because my schedule's very busy. So yeah, peace out, people.